We've been busy. Okay, all the bolts are out. What's left now is to pull. You see, there's a gap between the gearbox and the engine. All the bolts, the mountains, the bolts are here. This mountain here, the bolts are here. This one bolt and these two here and that are for this mountain bracket, and then 1 2 3 4 is for 1 2 3 4. These are just gearbox. Then the other mountain that side, the gear and the bolts are there at the bottom. I showed you guys. All I gotta do now is to pull the gearbox back. I've dislocated yes, the side shaft in the CVs. This one is just not out. I don't want to take it out of the gearbox because it's gonna leak. I don't want to be busy with that fluid. Just want to push this thing a little bit back so I can get a gap to work on that. Then once that is done, then I'm good to go. This is how you do things fast. You don't want to strip everything and do everything, one by one. You're gonna have a problem. I just want to see if my theory is right. Gearbox is a little bit down now. See, this thing has a play. It's too much play. But the first one is this play is not supposed to be there. Because as I'm moving this, if it's the whole thing's, the crank also supposed to turn, but it's not turning. You see the pulley is not turning, which means this is a one-side problem. So yeah, Feathercom, we're fixing this Honda and we replace this flywheel thing, but I want to open it and see if it's broken or the bolts were loose, because it's either one of the three. Either it's broken or the bolts are broken or loose, or the crank, there's something at the back of the crank there at the end, unless that thing is also loose or broken. So update you as we go. Yeah, this is the guy.